Hello and welcome to HW News. Who doesn't remember Mr. Gupteshwar Pandey, the former Director General of Police of the state, but who is also more popular as Bihar ke Robin Hood Pandey? Well, probably the first IPS officer in the country who has a song and a video album in his name. The former DGP, relieved from his duties, is trying to make a space for himself in the world of politics. Now, some may say it wasn't something that wasn't obvious even during his last few days in the service. Later, he resigned and joined the ruling JDU. He was already popular on social media. Now, he is using the popularity to position himself as a serious leader. But why are we talking about Mr. Gupteshwar Pandey all over again? Well, you might remember that Gupteshwar Pandey, who hogged the national headlines by his statements in the Sushant Singh Rajput death case, took a VRS from the service. After the VRS, he addressed the media, and when asked about his political plunge, he said that he has no such plans in sight as of now. But a few days later, Pandey joined JDU in presence of State Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. Hailing from Buxar, Pandey was hopeful of getting a ticket from the ruling JDU. But as the fate had it, or we can say the political parties had it, Gupteshwar Pandey is not getting an election ticket anytime soon. The JDU and the BJP, the alliance partners in Bihar, are contesting Bihar Assembly elections together on 50-50 seat sharing formula. Recently, JDU released the candidate list for upcoming elections and Gupteshwar Pandey's name is nowhere to be seen. Not only that, according to the reports, the former police official had hoped that he will at least get a ticket for Lok Sabha by-election from Valmiki Nagar, but sadly, even for the by-election, he wasn't given a ticket by the party. What is ironic is that it is the second time now that Gupteshwar Pandey left the service to jump in political fray but has been overlooked, and how. Back in 2009, he had resigned from the police service and joined the BJP. He had hoped to get a ticket from BJP, but the party did not give him any ticket. The VRS was not yet accepted by the then Chief Minister of the state Nitish Kumar, so he requested to rejoin the services. His request was accepted and then he re-entered the police force. In 2019, he was appointed as the State Director General of Police. After the news spread that Gupteshwar Pandey has not been given any ticket, Pandey issued a statement on social media, which he often uses to interact with his fans and followers. He said, "I am upset with the phones of many of my well-wishers. I also understand their anxiety and troubles. After I got free, everyone expected that I will contest election, but I am not contesting assembly elections this time. There is no such thing as being frustrated. Be patient. My life is spent in struggle. I will be serving the public all my life. Please be patient and do not call me. My life is dedicated to the people of Bihar and I bow down to the land of my birthplace Buxar and to all the elder brothers, sisters, mothers and youth of all the caste and religion. Keep your love and blessings for me." He also said that it is not right to link his VRS and candidature for JDU that he did not get. Gupteshwar Pandey came into limelight after he took a public stance against the Mumbai police who were initially investigating the Sushant Singh Rajput case. He even had said that Riya Chakraborty does not have the auqat to question Bihar Chief Minister. His statement drew widespread condemnation, after which he indeed apologized. So why was Gupteshwar Pandey overlooked by JDU? Why wasn't he given any ticket? There might be two reasons for this. First, Buxar seat for BJP candidate. Now, having been born in Buxar, the former DGP was hoping for a ticket from Buxar, but as I said, in the seat sharing formula between JDU and BJP, it was decided that both the parties will contest on 50-50 seats. Moreover, the JDU will also allot 7 seats from its quota to Jitan Ram Manjhi's HAM party. The Buxar seat, however, has gone to BJP in the seat distribution agreement. Thus, BJP fielded its own candidate on the seat and the former DGP could not get the ticket. The second reason is Legislative Council membership. According to some reports, Gupteshwar Pandey may be given membership of the Legislative Council of Bihar and thus he wasn't fielded in the upcoming Bihar Assembly or even the Lok Sabha by-elections. Now, his quitting of police service and joining politics was criticized by many in Maharashtra. The ruling Mahavikas Aghadi government here had tried to corner former Chief Minister and now the Bihar election in charge of BJP, Devendra Fadnavis, over this issue. There were allegations that Pandey used the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput and the investigation as a launch pad for his political career. Meanwhile, Maharashtra Home Minister, who had criticized BJP in the past over the way party had been attacking the state government and especially the city police, said that the two alliance partners might have feared the questioning by Maharashtra leaders. He said, "Giving an election ticket to Gupteshwar Pandey is a matter of the party. We had asked whether BJP leaders will campaign for him if he is fielded in the election. It was maybe due to the fear of this question that he was not given any ticket." Well, the elections are around the corner and the chapter of Gupteshwar Pandey is closed as far as this election is concerned. But will he be given MLC ticket? What do you think? Do let us know in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.